ExpressConnect is our intuitive portal that gives you access to service tickets, equipment details, and 24/7 live chat with our friendly customer support team. With ExpressConnect, you can open service tickets from any page on the portal. With your equipment information auto-populated, you save valuable time. We provide the tools to contact your assigned engineer in real time and upload files for their immediate viewing. You can sort tickets by agreement, location, or date. You have an immediate snapshot of your service records. You're able to manage your users and make changes to keep their access specific to the things that they need to see most. With ExpressConnect, you can manage equipment with features like the option to request changes to your equipment, connecting you to your account executive when you want to add or delete equipment, the ability to view SLAs for each piece of equipment on agreement, giving you instant access to your coverage details. And finally, you have built-in tool to track and review warranty coverage, warranty tracking without all those messy spreadsheets to deal with. Being constantly on the move is part of the data center life, so you don't have time to be stuck at your desk. And now you don't have to be. ExpressConnect is responsive and can be viewed on any device. You need solutions that make your life easier and more efficient, and with ExpressConnect, you've got it.